Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can copy a YouTube video link on mobile. So in order to copy a YouTube video link, it's quite easy, so let's just immediately jump into the tutorial. So all you need to do is open your YouTube app over on your Android or iPhone. It will be completely the same, so don't worry. All you need to do is open the app, and then you want to go to any video, obviously. For example, this one. Literally then, all we need to do is then next to the like count, you will see the share button where you want to click on. And literally all you need to do then is click on copy link, just like this. And now you can literally paste this link to anywhere you want. For example, I want to paste it in my notes. I can literally just do it like that. And you can see that I've now copied the YouTube video link. That's how you can copy a YouTube video link on mobile. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.